Hello and welcome back to V2 Cloud Tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add new users to your V2 Cloud virtual machine, enabling team members to collaborate securely and assign permissions. Step 1. Log into your V2 Cloud account at V2 Cloud Portal. In the dashboard, locate the cloud computer where you want to add users. Step 2. Click on the Actions button and then click Manage Computer. Since the dashboard opens on the User tab by default, there's no need to navigate to it. Click Add New User Access. In this section, you can configure login details such as email and password and manage user access permissions. By clicking Submit, an email will be sent to the user containing steps to set up and access their account. Step 3. Once the user receives the email, all that's left is to set up their password. After that, they can log in through the V2 Cloud web portal or use the Windows application with a remote desktop connection with their credentials. Step 4. To remove a user, go to the Users tab, find the user you want to remove, click on Actions, and select Delete User to permanently delete them from the system. You've now seen how to manage users in your V2 Cloud computer, from adding new users to removing existing ones. That is all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.